Hi, you guys. I'm so excited to talk to you about two oils that at first glance you may be like, are they sort of similar? They have similar names, sounding names, lemon and lemongrass. So these are two oils I've been reaching for a lot lately. And I want to explain to you my reasonings why. So lemongrass is one that I love to use to just clean, I diffuse this one often. It's a great cleansing oil because it like cleans the air. But then on an emotional side, it is super awesome. So I have this book in front of me, the Essential Emotions book, which if you don't have it, it's it's awesome. Invest in it if you have the Essential Life, get that one first, but then this one is my second recommendation for a book. Oh my goodness. Okay, so lemongrass is, looking in this book, it's the oil of cleansing. And so it lists in this book negative emotions and then positive properties. So negative emotions are toxic or negative energy, despairing, holding on to the past, hoarding, darkness, are some of the negative emotions. And then some of the positive properties are spiritual clarity, cleansing, non-attachment, simplicity, discerning, releasing what is no longer needed. And I don't know if you can tell in the background, there's not as much behind me because Ryan and I, tomorrow it's official, but we're listing our house and we're selling it. So we have been decluttering our house. And so lemongrass is a great one to use when you're doing something like that. Okay. So then the next one I want to share a little about is a lemon, which is a couple days ago, I had Luke pick out an oil before he started homeschool. And I was like, pick an oil. We need to ghetto diffuse any oil. I don't care what it is, buddy, but we just need oil on you. And so lemon is one of his favorite oils. And so he picked it and he ghetto diffused it. And then I had him, rub it on his shirt and then he got to work. But then I had forgotten what, the emotional side of lemon was. I like diffusing lemon with Douglas fir. It's a great one for focus and just when you want to get stuff done, which lemon is oil of focus. So some negative emotions of lemon are confused, inability to focus, mentally fatigued, lack of joy and energy, guilty, disengaged, learning issues. Positive properties are focus, energized, mental clarity, alert, rational, joyful. So that makes sense. I'm like, I love it. So lemon, and then we also know it's good for cleansing, like drinking in our water to help flush out our bodies. It's a wonderful one to use for cleaning because we've been cleaning our house more. So if we have had sticky stuff that we, couldn't get off any other way, but put a couple drops of lemon, scrub, and what do you know? Off it goes. I love it. All right. So I'm excited to hear what you think. Have you tried these two oils? These are two of the least expensive oils you can buy from doTERRA as well. Hope you have a wonderful day. I'm going to say goodbye, and then please reach out if you have questions.